Welcome to 419 Caballero Road. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house that was completely remodeled in Ocoee. Let's start off with a quick look at your neighbors. Very quiet street. Let's take a walk inside. As we enter, this is the living area. On your right, give you an example of the size of the room. All the rooms have ceiling fans. The entire place is tiled with modern looking flooring, so you don't have to worry about carpet. This will be your dining area with a sliding glass door to the backyard. You can take a quick look to see that. Here is your kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertop. In the back here is your laundry room next to the kitchen. There's your water heater. There's your hookups for your laundry. And again, backing out, this is your dining area. Passing the sliding glass door to outside. It's completely fenced around there. And then we head down the hall. As you go this way, this is your hall bathroom. Really nicely done over there. Continue to your right. Here's one bedroom. Again, the reverse view. Pass around the hall. Here's bedroom number 2. Okay, just like the other one. This one faces the front of the house. Got your closet. All the rooms have ceiling fans that we talked about. You go to bedroom number 3. And again, this also faces the front with a closet. And that's pretty much it for 419 Caballero Road. You walk back out front. There's your kitchen. Here's your living area. And there's your front door.